Good morning, students. We are discussing types of sentences. In last two videos, we have completed simple sentence and compound sentence. In this video, we are going to learn complex sentence. Before we understand complex sentence, first understand main clause and subordinate clause. Students, we have already studied main clause and subordinate clause, and we did exercise in our in our course book. First, understand main clause. Main clause, other name independent clause and principal clause. Now, what is a main clause? A clause having complete meaning is called a main clause. A clause having complete meaning is called a main clause. Next, subordinate clause. A clause that does not have complete meaning. It means a clause having incomplete meaning. And to complete meaning, it depends on the main clause, is called a subordinate clause. A subordinate clause does not have complete meaning. To complete the meaning, it depends on the main clause. So that is subordinate clause. You can see here main clause, a clause having complete meaning. Subordinate clause, a clause having incomplete meaning. To complete the meaning, it depends on the main clause. Now we come to our main topic, that is complex sentence. Now what is a complex sentence? Students, a sentence having one main clause and at least one subordinate clause joined with subordinating conjunctions is known as a complex sentence. I repeat, a sentence having one main clause and at least one subordinate clause joined with subordinating conjunction. Why I have used at least one subordinate clause? As in some sentences there are more than one subordinate clause. But in complex sentence, at least one subordinate clause should be there. So, a complex sentence, it is a sentence having one main clause and at least one subordinate clause joined with subordinating conjunction. Students, we have already studied subordinating conjunctions. If you do not remember, then in our course book, you can see the coordinating conjunction, correlative conjunction and subordinating conjunction in our course book on page number 28 and 29. I repeat, to see the subordinating conjunction, correlative conjunction and coordinating conjunction, you can refer our course book page number 28 and 29. So I repeat here, complex sentence, a sentence having one main clause and at least one subordinate clause joined with subordinating conjunction. Now see some examples. It was such a pleasant morning that we decided to go for a walk. If you see this sentence, there are two clauses. It was such a pleasant morning, and the second clause, we decided to go for a walk. These two clauses, this it was such a pleasant morning, it is a main clause, and we decided to go for a walk, it is subordinate clause. And these two clauses join with subordinating conjunction that. Hence, the given sentence is a complex sentence. One main clause, one subordinate clause joined with subordinating conjunction, so it is a complex sentence. See the next example. I did not go to the party because I was tired. I did not go to the party because I was tired. Now students, here main clause. I did not go to the party. Subordinate clause, I was tired. And both the clauses, they are joined with subordinating conjunction because. So, the second sentence, I did not go to the party because I was tired, it is a complex sentence. Now see the third example. Yesterday, I met Beena, who is now in Delhi, where she lives with her brother, who is an archaeologist. It is a long sentence. Now see, yesterday I met Beena. It is a main clause, as it has complete meaning. Yesterday I met Beena. Is now in Delhi. Subordinate clause. She lives with her brother. Subordinate clause. Is an archaeologist. Subordinate clause. And this subordinate clause, we can see 3 subordinate clauses and 1 main clause. So as for the complex sentence, a sentence having 1 main clause and at least 1 subordinate clause. So here 1 main clause and 3 subordinate clauses are there, and these subordinate clauses, they join with relative pronouns, and relative pronouns, they are also part of subordinating conjunctions. So this sentence, it is also a complex sentence. A sentence having 1 main clause and at least 1 subordinate clause joined with subordinating conjunction, it is a complex sentence. I hope you have understood types of sentences. So here we end this topic, types of sentences based on structure. There are 3 types of sentences based on structure: simple, compound and complex. 4 are there, but that 4 we are not, the 4th one we are not going to study in 6th standard. That is compound, complex. So we are studying only 3 types of sentences based on structure: simple, compound, complex. I request you to watch the videos again and again and try to understand these types of sentences based on structure. Thank you, students.